Good morning, Chicago. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2026, the 22nd day of the Omer. A good Erev Shabbos Kodesh. Before we get to the weather, here are your zmanim for today, the 7th of Iyar, 5786. Dawn is at 4:44 a.m. Earliest time for Talis and Tefillin is 4:54 a.m. Sunrise is at 5:56 a.m. Latest Shema, according to the Magen Avram, is 8:47 a.m. Latest Shema, according to the GRA and Baal HaTanya, is 9:23 a.m. Latest Chakrat, according to the Magen Avram, is 10:07 a.m. Latest Chakrat, according to the GRA and Baal HaTanya, is 10:31 a.m. Midday is at 12:49 p.m. Earliest Mincha is at 1:23 p.m. Plag HaMincha is at 6:15 p.m. Candle lighting is at 7:21 p.m. Sunset is at 7:44 p.m. Nightfall, according to Baal HaTanya, is at 8:10 p.m. Nightfall of Rebbeinu Tam is at 8:53 p.m. And Havdalah is at 8:26 p.m. Now, let's talk weather. It's been a quiet afternoon across the Chicago area, but things are about to change. A line of thunderstorms has been developing well to our west over the mid-Missouri Valley ahead of an eastward shifting cold front. These storms have been producing organized severe weather across Iowa and parts of eastern Kansas and western Missouri this evening, but the good news is they're expected to weaken as they push east overnight thanks to the stabilization of the atmosphere after dark. For us in northern Illinois and northwestern Indiana, the severe threat looks fairly low. That said, lingering outflow from these decaying storms could still bring a brief period of gusty winds, up to 50 miles per hour, particularly west of the Fox Valley and the Illinois River Valley. Rainfall amounts should be waning as well, so no additional worsening of the ongoing river flooding is expected. Lightning and thunder will be on a diminishing trend into early Friday morning as the remnant showers push across northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana ahead of the approaching cold front. Through Friday morning, expect extensive cloud cover, which will limit destabilization, but by midday and early afternoon, cooling mid-level temperatures will support steepening lapse rates, meaning some widely scattered showers and storms are possible with and just ahead of the cold front. The most favored area for development looks to be generally along and east of the Interstate 55 corridor. Limited instability and wind shear should keep the threat for more organized severe storms low. Showers and storms should end from northwest to southeast through Friday afternoon. For the weekend, cooler but pleasant. Inland temperatures will reach the upper 60s to low 70s. Closer to Lake Michigan, onshore east-northeasterly winds will keep things cooler, with highs in the 50s to low 60s. A very nice Shabbos is ahead. Now, looking further out, Monday is a day to watch closely. A significant upper-level impulse coming onshore over Southern California late Saturday is forecast to eject east-northeastward across the Rockies by late Sunday. This sets the stage for a strong surface low, possibly below 995 millibars, developing and tracking northeastward out of the Central Plains and into the upper Midwest. If that low tracks northwest of our area, as current guidance suggests is possible, we could be looking at a significant severe weather and heavy rainfall threat on Monday. We'll be keeping a close eye on this one. After Monday's system, cooler and drier conditions are expected to settle in for the middle of next week. The information in this episode is based upon the National Weather Service Forecast Office out of Chicago, Romeoville, Illinois. Have a wonderful Shabbos and stay safe out there, Chicago.